Everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create an avatar on Instagram. The first thing is open up your app, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom, then tap on the picture icon at the top, select add profile photo, then go to the second option, which is avatar, tap on create avatar, and here you choose a skin tone, tap on next, choose a hairstyle, tap on next, hair color, tap on next, body shape you want, tap on next, the outfit, and tap on done. And that's it, you've created your avatar. Avatar created. That is how to create avatar on Instagram. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.